Hey everybody, it's Friday, and as promised, I was wanting everybody to update their records so I can keep in touch with you better for birthdays, anniversaries, and things like that. And this is the Ring doorbell that we're going to give away, and we're going to find out which person ended up winning. The winner is Brian Thompson. I'll actually see you in a little bit, so I'll end up bringing this out to you. We'll talk to you later. And you guys remember also, next Saturday is my client party at Windsong Theater. If you have not RSVP'd already, there's still time. We have a few seats left. It starts at 9:30 is when the doors open. 10 o'clock is when the movie starts, and it's Peter Rabbit. It looks like it's going to be entertaining. Hope to see you then, and make sure and RSVP so we have a spot for you. We'll see you later. Bye.